Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm explaining how to change the language in Heartopia. And the good news is, it's very quick and easy to do. So first, you can actually change the language either from the main menu or while you're inside the game. If you're already in game, go ahead and open your watch or menu by pressing tab on your keyboard. From there, just go ahead and scroll down until you see settings and click on it. Inside settings menu, look for the option called switch language at the top, right over here. Once you select this, it will provide you with a list of available languages. Just simply choose the language you want. And after confirming, the game will automatically reload, and when it finishes loading, Heartopia will now be fully displayed in the language you selected. And that's it. No complicated steps, just a quick setting change. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!